tenga.
Pababa. Grabing pababa.
As letter, ano siya sa'yo, no? Oh, mahirap to pataas.
Grabe! Oh, hindi mo na-appreciate sa ano yung video. So we are here now at the municipality of Maria Aurora. Say hi! Tiana! So, ito yata yung place kung saan sa stopover muna yung mga papunta ng Aurora. Okay, so maraming mga ano na dito. Maraming mga riders. So, ayan. Yehey!
It's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive.
Look at that. And then this is the other side. Ang ganda. So nice.
Ayan yata doon, no? Parang resort, no? Oh, resort, oh. Yan ang kailangan, may viewing deck. Ganda.
Ang ganda. Picture tayo.
Ganda. Zen, oh, look, oh. Zen, oh. Ganda. Look.
Oh, may mga batang nag-aano dito ng coins. Ang linaw ng tubig, oh.
Ganda, no? Lino.
Linaw. Ang dami nagpapaano dito.
Ah, Geraldine pangalan niya, oh.
Saan?
Sabi ko dito namin, Geraldine.
Oh, ito ako.
Ayun, oh.
Ay, sorry.
Kala mo kayo, bigay mo doon. Doon mo ba to?
Doon dapat.
Ayan, ah! Nakuha pa rin.
Wala na. The Rainbow Room.
Villa Suave. Mashallah.
Slight right. Then, slight right.
Colorful pa rin.
So we're back in the rainbow. Look at yourself.
In 400 meters.
Riley. San Riley.
You have arrived.
San Riley. You have arrived?
Patos like this. There's a dirt road.
You.
Riley's, no?
Yes,
Fully booked.
Riley's.
Good thing I booked.
Fully booked.
Kaya nagod ako.
Wow.
Ganda yung gusto natin,
Here.
diba?
Sleep while farting.
race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah.
Hey, pangit. Sabi daw ni Mami, mag-video mo na ako.
Yan.
Yay! Okay na. Ang pino ng sand nila, hindi siya mabato. Ayan. Time check, it's 4:29 ng hapon. And parang low tide siya ngayon. Ayan.
It went down by a lot.
Medyo pumupa na yung init. Yan siya. Maganda.
Dito na lang kami, Mami.
Hi!
Hello.
Yan na! Yay!
The water is so salty.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day.
What are you cooking? Wow! And bangus! And we will cook also tortang talong and also spaghetti. Hello! Ito po yung aming dinner for today. Liempo. Ano kasi ito? Bangus, inihaw at saka torta. Bon appetit! Bon appetit! sunrise. Good morning, everyone. Naglalakad lang kami dito sa shore. Ang agang lumitaw ng araw. Ayan, oh. 5 o'clock pa lang. Lumiwanag na. Hindi namin naabutan yung pag sunrise. Pero anyway, it's a nice weather. Let's enjoy.
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive. Summer vacay, oh let's play. All night long we'll dance away. Feel the beat, the sunshine stay. Oh, summer vacay. Sandy toes and sky so blue. Every moment feels brand new.
Okay, they just removed our tent. Because we're about to go. Right, Diana?
Wait.
Right, Kuya? Wait.
Wait. Kasi kuya.
Why you cut its wings?
Hindi, yung snail. Yung sa snail.
Oh, yun! Look! Wow!
But parang di siya snail, parang siyang crab.
Yeah,
Crab yata yun eh.
crab.
Asan?
Yun, gumalaw na siya.
Crab siya. See, nice. Ang ganda.
Nice!
Hindi lang parang hills.
Hmm.
Ano?
Parang,
Parang hills.
it's just only like him.
Yeah.
Where are we going ba?
It's only like
The real hills.
parang.
Parang lang. We're going to Parang Hills, but not a real hill. It's just Parang. See the cow there.
I think we need 4x4 of this.
Ooh.
Yan.
Are we really going uphill?
I think so.
Do we need 4x4?
I think so. Why does it?
Baka may mga salubong tayo din.
Woo!
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Mommy, look. There's a shadow.
Ito yung gusto ni Zenzen.
Yahoo!
Off-road.
Those dirt red, oh.
Oo. Hindi ka pwede dito pag umuulan. Bulos yan.
Talaga?
Oh,
Wow! Oh, green! Ang galing, oh.
Wow.
Hills are alive. Sound of music. Saan sila dumaan? Have you follow them?
Yeah?
We should know.
See that?
Red na red, no? Till where can we go? Sisip na.
Oh, meron pa dun.
Yun,
You see that tree there?
Pupunta sa pupunta.
Okay. We're already uphill and you will see
Ganda.
the Pacific Ocean. Pacific
Oo,
Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean. Wow.
There's nothing there for thousands of miles. Wow. Hindi yung Hawaii, nandito yung Hawaii ba?
Maybe Patrick and
Nandito kami sa Parang Hills. Ang ganda, oh. Say hi. Siana. Hello, Mindy. Ganda. Overseeing mo yung ocean. Na. Palipad tayo ng drone.
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive. Summer vacay, oh let's play. All night long we'll dance away. Feel the beat, the sunshine stay. Oh, summer vacay. Sandy toes and sky so blue. Every moment feels brand new. Catch the breeze, it's calling us. Fun all day, no need to rush. Summer vacay, oh let's play. All night long we'll dance away. Feel the beat, the sunshine stay. Oh, summer vacay.
Let's try it.
I'll also
Hindi,
try
gusto mo
it.
try. Try. Gusto mo try ito?
Sarap, mommy.
Sarap?
Yeah, coffee also.
Coffee din siya. Coffee jelly ba yan?
Yeah, coffee jelly. Sarap. There's also corn. No one does it, just corn on the bottom.
You want more, Zana?
Fresh jelly.
Sige, ating, kahit yung port na, basta hindi naman na sige, idagdag mo na lang, port na lang yung idagdag. Para makompleto yung pieces. Pero,
You know, Daddy, one time I tried to freeze the big 250. It's sour.
Too sour? You don't like me? I like it.
Okay, can I have it?
I can have it. Oh, mommy